What's up, everybody? This is JZZSCN here, and
filmmaker Minona here at the Trash Can Falls.
yes,
Now, why do they call it the Trash Can Falls? Well, because this is partially the town's garbage dump,
yes, it is.
and that they dump all their trash right here.
There's Yep.
So,
Don't touch it. It could be disease.
it just leaked beer all over my hand.
I thought that was Pepsi.
No, it's beer.
Oh, really? All right.
But
looks like
it may not be beer. It could be urine for all I know.
Who knows?
I don't know what these college students are putting in their beer.
Whatever it is, don't lick your finger. Anyway, look at this awesome place. I would go. Well, I'm not that. I don't think I can make it. Well, actually, wait. Where could I go across? I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, isn't it pretty?
It is nice.
Yeah. This is like right near my house, which is insane. Do you want to grab some skipping rocks and then take them up and skip them?
So this is the first time I've been out here. TIZZSEN
Yeah.
brought me out here like just today.
Yes.
So I'm glad he showed it to me.
Uh-huh. I'm putting the rocks in the same pocket as the chips you gave me. Oh well. Which are in a bag, but you know, I don't keep the chips in my pocket usually. And I don't know. Want to go over and skip some rocks?
Sure.
All right, let's see. Let's do this. Okay. Whoa, dude, this is freaky. This is like the. Why did I take this way? This is not the way to go with the camera. Think I can make that jump? Yeah. Here we go. I got this. Boom. All right. Whoa! Yeah. Oh man, there's people at this rock skipping area. Oh well. No rock skipping. Want to go up the scary, freaky way or the
Let's go
easier
the
way?
scary, freaky way.
All right.
I'll go first.
Huh?
Want to film this?
We'll see. If I think I can't, we'll just.
Well,
Whatever.
just film me going up and then I'll go first.
Maybe I should give these away. Trash can rocks. Huh?
Oh wait, I guess I can't go first.
Trash can falls skipping rocks. Oh, you know, I was gonna play a game with you guys, and you were gonna have to guess the name. Oh well. Sorry about how close to the ground you guys are. It's a pretty. Oh, please, go. Shut that. That is a loose root, by the way. Gonna like. This isn't not the way. Too tight. Crap! I just hit the stop button, didn't I? Alright, girl, keep coming. Can you make it?
I can make it.
Wow. This is an incline.
Yeah.
You do? No, you don't. I didn't
You
yesterday.
know?
I went over it somehow. Oh, yeah, there we go. We made it out.
We made it to murder sound.
Look at how dirty my iPod is.
Oh, it could be worse.
Yeah, I could have dropped it. Alright, well now I gotta go. You gotta stay at the edge of the road. Seriously,
Okay.
people fly down here and you cannot see them.
Are we still live?
Yeah?
I guess it's not live if it's YouTube.
Get in the side of the road! What are you doing?
I'm gonna get run over.
Don't get run over! That would be so sad. Anyway, guys, that was a pretty nifty waterfall for a trash can. Or that was a pretty nifty trash can. Or whatever. Dude, what are you doing? Dude, you don't hear them coming. Usually. Like, there's a bunch of people who just fly down these roads and fly up them. It's really freaky. There's a fence. How exciting. Makes it look all the more natural, doesn't it?
So we were just at a natural waterfall
Yeah.
called, this is just to summarize, called Trash Can Falls
Yeah.
because people pollute it.
Yes.
And a little bit further downstream, if you can turn the camera to the right, I don't know if you can see it, but there is an artificial waterfall, man-made, for controlling,
I hear a car. Yeah.
for controlling the water flow
Yeah.
through the river.
Mm-hmm. Alright, guys. Well, just gonna kill it here.
It was a pleasure being a part of this video.
Oh, yes. Seriously, like, he's walking in the middle of the road right there where flying cars coming. I'm like, no, dude, come back. Seriously. Ah, you're freaking me out. Ah. Oh, well. Alrighty, guys. Thank you for watching. Say hello to Bob the Stump. And now say goodbye. And adios.
Goodbye.
Okay. And
Adios.
adios.